Hey guys, welcome back to the next tutorial and the GIS tutorial. Today I'm here to show the short tutorial how to import the shape file in Google Earth. So today let's work on the Google Earth. You may enjoy this video. Here now, in order to import the shape file, first you go to the file. There you can see the import. Click on that and then you'll pop out with your file. So go to the file here and go to your folder where you have saved your shape file which you want to insert in the Google Earth. So here you have to select the shape from the side of the file name. So you can open it here. Click yes. Here click OK. Likewise. You can save it here. After that, your shape file will show here. In the side, you can click that your shape file, so you will see that will be the visible here in the Google Earth. To get the more information on it, you can click right and go to the properties. Here you can see the description, style and color, and you can view other as well. So you can go to the style and color, and so you can change the color of your shape file if you have. So I have put it here in the geology shape of the Nepal. So you can go to the specific area and get the information from here. If you click some area like this, so you can get the shape area, class information and other general information as well. In this way, you can import your shape file in Google Earth and you can work further. Later I'll make the other different tutorial how to work on the Google Earth with the specific GIS tutorial. So thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial will help you.